Welcome to the channel Tech Life Industry.
Tech Life Industry.
Today we got a PP product of which we will see what is making it special. Let us see what is that. This is the product which we were talking about. It's a rigger boot. Comes under safety shoe category. What makes a safety shoe different from a normal shoe? We need to know what is inside. What we are going to do is, we will cut this into two pieces to see, or rather to show you what all are there inside. Yeah, it's here. No, actually it's not there. It is a cut portion, half of the shoe which we saw bit early. Now we will see what all are there inside, or what makes it different from a normal shoe. This portion has a toe inside. You can see the glossy part. We have cut this steel toe into two pieces, so you can see the cut portion here. It's a steel toe that compress, or that can withstand compression up to 200 joule. So 200 joule is what we will see in the coming slides. Like we say in the car, this is also a bumper. Not all the safety shoes has this bumper. It's a rubber bumper, it is called. So in this model it is there. As we said, it's a rigger boot. So rigger boot normally has this rubber bumper. This portion is upper. Upper sole is made of a leather which is called nubuck leather. Nubuck leather is, like we know, leather is made out of a skin of animals. When you process and polish it into a glossy leather product, or a glossy product out of it, it is often called, or that category is called, nubuck leather. You can see something which is also processed but not like this. Something similar to a velvet, you can see, that is called suede in sports shoes, or some executive shoes, some executive safety shoes having that upper as well. Other than these two, normally seen in safety shoe top or upper is grain leather. Grain leather is the strongest form of safety shoe covering or top. And grain leather is also used for making bags, etc. So which can contain longer or higher, heavier things, and it is more sturdier than this. Now other part, we saw the top, we saw the toe. Now coming to inner side, this is the inner sock. It is made of a non-woven material. This label sees in this label we can see the certifications, which is a must for safety shoes. Coming down, this portion, this white portion is the inner sole, which is an antibacterial material. This has, in this particular product, it has a shock absorber facility. You can see this thing. It absorbs certain amount of shock. Under that you can see a midsole. Then there is a mid plate that also is steel, which helps you to protect, or which protect you from piercing object, puncture, etc. And this is the sole, which is normally anti-static, anti-slippery, then anti-corrosion, etc. After this part is called a shank, and we have covered almost all the main features of a safety shoe or a safety boot. See, this is the inner sole which we have taken out from a shoe. It has a shock absorbing feature. It takes a certain amount of shock when you walk or when you wear this. It is made of antibacterial material. It's a PU, polyurethane, shock absorbent. It is written shock absorbing feature, made of PU, anti-static, and it has, this portion has shock absorbing feature. Now this is the half cut portion of steel toe, which is on the front of that safety shoe. It is steel, you can hear the sound. and the details are written, the certifications and how many joules it can withstand, all written here. A safety shoe becomes a safety shoe with this portion. Impact of a nail, hammer and a vehicle are different on a steel toe. These are the standard sizes of safety shoes available in the market. Finally, see the types of safety shoes available in the market. Now we have seen how a safety shoe is made or what are the details of it. If you would like to buy some of them, like some of the good quality safety shoes, we will be giving the details of the stores in the description below. Now, hope it was a bit informative for you, and if you feel so, please let us know by comments, likes and shares so that we know what you expect from us in the next video. Thank you.